Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle here. So in today's video I'll be doing mini braids on my short natural hair that I have recently trimmed and cut, so this is the result. I hope you guys continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So for this mini braids install, I did something a little bit different. You guys just saw I parted my hair into 5 parts, 5 boxes. I've never done that before, but the reason why I did this is because I wanted to see if this would shorten my completion time. As you know, I take hours to do my hair, and I wanted to see how many hours I can get reduced if I did this box by box method. So I'm just experimenting with my hair and trying something new. Now I did go ahead and use the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner alongside with the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel in Extra Hold. I would definitely recommend these two products. This is the perfect combo. This is your yin and your yang, okay? If you're looking for a product that will moisturize your hair and give it that shine, definitely look into these two products. These are two inexpensive options that you can use to take your mini braids to the next level. Now, if you watched my previous mini braids video, you guys would know that I was debating on whether or not I should cut my natural hair just because my ends were trash, okay? My ends were not good. Now I know that I can nurse my hair back to health. I know that there are ways to just save my hair, quote unquote, but I have made the decision that I'm just gonna go ahead and start fresh. I'm just gonna go ahead and literally start from the root up, right? There's no problem with that. I've done this journey and I've learned that my hair can grow, right? I've done the process with mini braids. I've learn how to establish a hair routine. I've done these things, and now that I know what I know, there's no reason for me to have an excuse as to why my hair can't grow, right? There's no reason for me to not be able to get the same results, and if not better. So I will be taking you guys along with me on this journey, just documenting, trying new hairstyles. I will be trying mini braids as well with my really teeny afro. I did consider bleaching my hair just to give it a little zazz, a little style, but I'm not sure about that as yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and offer more variety-based natural hair videos and move forward with something new for the new year. So I wanted to let you guys know, since you guys have been following my journey, I wanted to share that with you. And yeah, I'm starting over, I'm starting fresh, I'm starting anew. Thank you guys for your support throughout this journey. Thank you guys for your comments. I see them. I am so happy when I read them. And a lot of you guys are also natural, looking for ways to grow your hair, looking for ways to do your hair, and looking for a source of inspiration and a source of comparison in terms of you want someone who has your hair texture, who has hair that look like yours. So I hope to continue to be that source of inspiration on this new chapter. And yes, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you are also doing mini braids as a hair growth method, let me know what products you love to use on your mini braids. Let me know down below. Just comment your favorite products that you use on your hair that has helped your hair grow, and let me know a little bit about your journey, from where you started, whether you had a TWA, you had 5 inches, 6 inches, 3 inches, and now you're at like 16 inches. Let me know a little bit about your natural hair journey and how mini braids has impacted your hair and what you learned from doing mini braids. So let me know down in the comment section. Share your story. You can help others as well. This is a learning platform just as much as it is an entertaining platform. So go ahead and comment down below. Let's stay connected and let's see what this new year brings. you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more natural hair related videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Later guys.